Okay then. So today we are going to discuss about block pricing and the percent of total. So what exactly the block pricing is? If you go to the product, okay, in the product we have the block pricing. If you open any product, you see, and if you go over here related, you see the block pricing. This is one of the pricing methods, right? Previous class we discussed about the cost. The cost pricing override the what I say, like list price. So whatever the list price is mentioned in the price book, so if you use cost pricing, it will override this price. So whatever the cost pricing written over there in the related list, on that basis the price will calculate. Okay, so that is block price, that is cost pricing. Okay, now block pricing nothing but it works on the range. Like if suppose the range is 0 to 10, I will apply 50%, like, and 10 to 12 I apply 30%. So this way you can apply your discounts. So thank you very much for joining. Okay, so what I said, like we are discussing about block pricing. In the previous class we discussed about cost pricing, and cost pricing overrides the list price, which is given by the price book. Okay, now we discuss today we'll discuss about block pricing. So block pricing is nothing but it works on the ranges. The ranges, if 10 to 20, I will charge 50 rupees. If 20 to 50, I'll charge 75 rupees. So this way we'll describe the charges in block pricing. And the block pricing is similarly, we describe it from here in the related list of product. And you click on new, and then once I click on the new button, you'll see the range over here. So upper range and lower range. So if I see there's a upper bound and lower bound. Price name. So lower bound is lower bound of the quantity range for the block price. Upper bound is the quantity range for the this block price. Okay, price, what price you're going to apply, right? And what price book you're going to check, what product you will use. So everything here crisp and concise. Okay, so if I go to the article which I created, so here he looks like 1 to 10, 101, 25 rupees. So after that, from 100 to 201, 50 rupees. 200 to the infinity, right? So they'll charge like this. Okay, so this is the UI of your block pricing. So don't get confused. It is in the classic mode. In the classic mode, it looks different. In the lightning mode, lightning experience is different. Classic experience is different. So this is the classic experience. So you can run your CPQ either in classic, either in lightning. It's nothing restricted. So now let's understand first of all how to enable the auto calculation QLE. Auto calculation means automatically it will calculate the quote line editor pricing. Okay, so if you go here in the setup, if you type installed package, okay, in the installed package, installed package, yeah, installed space package. I click here and go to the CPQ, and in the CPQ you find that particular informations. Okay, so let's click here and try to understand this better. Okay, now scroll down and go to the CPQ. I just wanted to check how many of you already gone through the block pricing terminology or pricing method terminology in the past. Hina, Kajal, Venus, Sravan, Nitin, and Ankit. You guys ever gone through that particular terminology of pricing?
I don't have.
No, no, sir. No, sir, not yet.
Okay, perfect. So let's check this out. The installed packages, and in the installed package we have the data. So just a second, let it load. Yeah. So now here you go to the configuration, and in the configuration you'll see the data. Okay. Now one second. So now you see it says about auto calculations. Auto calculation, I think it comes from pricing. I think auto calculation is pricing. And second, okay, yeah, pricing and calculation. Calculate immediately. Over the mouse, read this please. What is written over there? So here you see enable real-time calculation on the edit line page. Calculation occurs when any field value is changed. Okay, this calculation occurs on that basis. So before enabling the using the block pricing, please enable this checkbox for the better understanding and for the use of code line editor. Okay, any doubt till here? Any doubt?
No.
No, sir.
One second. Let me have some water. Hmm. Okay. So enable real-time calculation on the edit line calculation. So if you go here and let's read this, how to enable outline calculation, go to the setup, install package, pricing and calculation tab, calculate immediately checkbox. So we already done that. Now scroll down, block pricing. The block pricing is a tier-based pricing. Tier-based pricing means that the price of the product depends on the quantity that a customer is purchasing. The price is also based on the range of the quantity and not the individual product. As I said, the range of the quantity is like 0 to 10. On that basis, charge will occur. So for example, let's say your company is selling a printer paper, and the requirements of it of and the requirement is if the customer ordered the paper of 1 to 100, then close will 25 USD. Okay, US dollar. Okay, and then 101 to 250 USD, 201 to 300 $75, right? So now this way it's configured, right? So now you see after the one, like upper bound is 100, lower bound is 1. Okay, it's 1 and 100. So 1 and 100 till it is 25. Okay, and then from 25, then 101 to 200, that's 50. Okay, 201 to 300, that's 75. Okay, so that is nothing but the block pricing. Now, if you scroll down here and we'll check this out. Setup to configure block price, navigate to the product tab, click on new, product name, printer, and activate the checkbox. And in the Salesforce CPQ pricing section, you will see the field pricing method called, then that you will select as block pricing. Now you'll scroll down, save the changes, go to the related and click on new next to the block pricing selection and add to the price of $50 USD and save the changes. Click on it. So let's implement that. I'm just reading. So it's not good because this video is recording and I'm just going through. So let's try to execute this and try to understand this one. Okay. So we'll create a new product. The product name will be printer. Okay. I click on new. That's the new pricing. Okay. New and product code, give it anything, PP01. Active products, and then product family, it's definitely a hardware should be there, but we do not get any value called hardware. So it's better to choose service. Okay, perfect. Now click on the save and go ahead with changes. Oh, no, my bad. I by mistake I did one blunder over here. That is pricing method I didn't chosen, and you guys also didn't suggested me you forget the pricing method. I'm not sure you guys are not noticing percent of total block pricing. Got it? Whenever we create product, at the time only we will have to decide what pricing methods or what pricing model we like to utilize. Okay, so it's up to the requirement. It varies according to the requirement. Okay, so if you go here, it says you like this product pricing method block. Okay, now here save the change. Now go to the block pricing. We don't need to one question, go to Reddit. Yeah, click on new and selection this, add the price of 50 USD. Okay, and save the changes. Click on edit all and then okay, go to the related. Okay, go to the price book section. So if you click here price book section, and then in this scenario price book, then we'll have a check. As I said, let's make it $10. Okay, let it be lower list, upper list. Click on the save. So that is already added. Now we will go inside the block pricing. Click on edit all, and then here you can add the ranges. Right, price name, you can type 50 USD. Right, price name 50 USD, and then okay, sorry, my bad. This is the price name here. My bad actually. Block 11200. So type like this. Block. Here you can adjust your price book if you have. So I'm checking for the standard one. So okay. So type block. Okay. 11200. That's the name. It's just the label we are giving for the understanding. Okay. 2. Then after that, the lower bound will be one. Okay, I'm just following that article. So for $125. Oh shit, my bad. Sorry guys. You can see it looks like a what we say. It looks like a data table, right? Block 150, $25, and then just a second. I need to just receive one call. Go ahead, please. One second, guys. Okay, guys. So let's start. So $25, and then once you click on the plus icon, the new row will get created. You see. Now again, call me at the time. 100 and then one second, guys. Okay, guys. So now let's make this. What was there? It was 200. Okay. 200. 200 and then 100 to 150 or what was it? What was that? 200. Okay. 200. Lower bound is 100. One. That's 200. And then here we have $50. 50. Okay. Now 50, that is okay. It is in price and it is USD. You know, if you see the differences, it is in price rupees and that is in oh, why is it so? Okay, it's but in my case it is dollar USD. Okay, so we'll check this later how we can change this. Okay, now other one is plus plus. Okay, now other one will create it 3 200 50. Oh, see, I made a mistake. It's 100. It should be 101. Correct. Shit, yaar, what happened? Okay, that's okay. 3 201. 201 and then the one is blank. Okay, 75. So this way it will cost. Okay, this way it will cost. Now your block pricing is ready. And let's see. Okay, now click on the save. Save now. Click on the save and then go here. So for your information, any quantity between 1 and 100 will price $25 when added to QLE. Similarly, price for other block will be applied as the configured in the above image. Block pricing is the absolute price for the quote line and not the unit price that get multiplied by the quantity to arrive the final pricing. Okay, make sense? Should I elaborate this? You getting it, or should I elaborate this? Trainers and other people.
Yes, look, I got it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Got it. Perfect. Okay. Now, what is the overage rate in block pricing? Overage rate in block pricing. Okay. So first of all, we configure that correctly, but we need to understand how it's functioning. Okay. So let's understand the functionality of this. Okay, where's the functionality? Like in this above example, where we gave a range, but what if your customer wants to buy just a few more additional unit, like in the block 3 customer wants to buy 305 unit. To handle such type of requirement, give an extra special field called overage rate. Overage rate is the API name. This allowed us to define per unit price for any quantity above our highest tier. Means the highest tier. What was the highest tier in that above image? 200, right? This is the highest tier, right? The third one is the highest tier. Am I correct? Now what we do, see, it's not accepting. Upper bound is 100, 201. Why is it so? It's not working, guys. Click on the save button. Total it should be 59. सेव नहीं हो रहा क्यों? Why is it so? Okay, 3 and above. Okay. No, just little stubborn. Why is it so? Nothing much. The same thing what is mentioned over here. I followed the same, but lower.
Sir, upper bound should be 201.
Where?
Yes, lower bound and block 2 must be equal to previous block.
Yeah, I
Previous
understand.
upper. Yes, sir.
So where
There's
is the
error.
problem? Yeah, I understand. Error I understood. But tell me
Sir,
where I need to make the changes.
upper bound should be in block 1, 101.
Okay, this one.
And block 2, there should be 201 in
Oh,
upper
okay.
bound.
Okay, got it. Understood. But if you see the image, oh, that's great. Good catch. Amazing. Good catch.
Thank you.
Okay, save it. So understood, guys. We have to follow this way only, the way Venus explained. Okay. So overrate range in the block price. So how we utilize this? App launcher, object manager. Oh, okay. And overrate range price on this. Okay. We'll check this one now. Okay, how block pricing will calculate if overage rate is given? The formula is applicable block plus additional unit multiplied by overage rate. Okay, so if overage rate is $1 per additional unit, then 305 unit will be 75 plus 5 into 1 is equals to $80. So this is the formula. On the basis of that, overage rate will calculate it. Okay, so now go to that app launcher and then object manager, and what it's telling us to open, block price, select a block price. Okay, got it. So let's go here. Block prices, block price. This is the block price, right? Here we create one field, that is overage multiplier, right? Nothing but a formula field. Oh, wait, if any is this, okay, that I know. Okay, it's a currency, I believe. What's the data type for this? Currencies, right? Correct. Currencies, and then currencies, and then it didn't suggested what should I take, so I'll keep like this one only. Okay, let's keep it that. Next. This is a little confusing. Let's wait for 2 minutes.
Sir, there is an error again.
Where?
On the top, multiple currencies are enabled. You must set the decimal places for each currency.
So here's the decimal place is 18, and the decimal place should be okay. That you're saying. It's not just a warning, madam. It's just a warning.
Okay, sir. Okay.
And this is taking time because this is the problem with lightning experience. Okay, now go to print product printers and then you see this is the overhead prices. At the bottom, this will come. So let's see how it will come. Go to the related list of the product and let's see, refresh the page. Do we need to add in the page layout or something? Let's see. Okay. Let's see if it gets edit on. Yeah, it's coming. Overraised USD. Okay, got it. Now that is, let's give in one for the last one. One, okay. $1. Okay. Quick save. Save. Perfect. Now after this, what it does? Percent of total. So this is all about the block pricing. You understood that, guys? Any question?
No, sir.
No question. Thank you. Now other one is percent of total. Let's try to understand what is percent of total. This block pricing is very important in an interview perspective. This is the fourth block pricing of the pricing methods. Okay. And now, okay. Percent of total in this method, the list price is calculated as the percentage of the total of the other line item. Let us understand this with an example. Your company is selling TV, and the TV installation is a product in Salesforce. The cost of installation depends upon the size of the TV. The installation is 5% for the total TV price. Okay. Like one time, let's suppose you wanted to install the Wi-Fi, installation charge is applicable for one time, right? So every time you do not have to give the installation charges. So set to configure percent of total price, create a product name, TV installation, put the percent pricing method percent of total, and percentage of total is 5%, price of total basis net, and let's create this product and try to understand the scenario. Okay, so let's go over here and then create product. TV001. Okay, active product, and pricing method. Is the pricing method, make it percent of total. Now here compound discount is 5% percent of total. Percent of total discount. Is there any field percent of total discount? Yeah, 5%. Over the mouse and it is percent for of non-subscription product total to be used as the price of the subscriptions. That's okay. Activate price of total base to net. Price of total base to net. Price of total base to net. Total base to net. इसको net करना है. That is net. And active checkbox already done. Perfect. Click save. Now again we need to go to the price book, 50 USD. Get another product name 55-inch TV. Okay. Understood. Okay. Now go to this. Add standard price. What's the price? Check this out. 50, right? 50 USD. Create another product. That's all good for now. Let's go ahead. Product. Another product we'll create here. That is 15 inches TV. 55 inches TV. So we'll create a product with the name of 55 inches TV. Okay. Product code. objective, nothing but the pricing method is list. Pricing methods is list, okay. Pricing method is list. Now to that, save the ticket with the price book of 50 US, 500 USD. Okay, 500 USD. Click save. 500 USD. All good for now. Okay. Venture TV and then that's it. Pricing method percent of total 5. This we already done that, and then quantity is already done. Now just go ahead and check this price discount. Okay, let's check this out. Add this product in the quote line. Quote line. Go here. Edit lines. Line. What was the name of the product? This is not required. Just a single loan product, right? Standalone product. I mean standalone product, not the bundle product, right? So which was TV installation first of all. TV installation. Installation 55 inches TV. Okay. Click select. Then you're good to go. Now here you see the prices 525 rupees, 250 for that, 255. I mean 25. Sorry, 25 for that and 500 for the user. Now if you see that product which we created called TV, in the TV, if you go here, where is the product called TV? Okay, let me open a new tab. So just wanted to understand the concept, how it is calculating the percent of total. So if you go here, the TV installation, it is the type of percent of total, right? If you see, you scroll down, the product type is percent of total. Where is it? Scroll down. Yeah, 5%. Okay, and it is net. Net means determine whether the percent of total is calculated off list or net product price. Okay, so how it is calculated the percent of total. Okay, now if you scroll down, what we given here 5%, please remember, and the price which we given on the price book, what was the list price? It will give the percentage on that applied list price. Yeah, now you see 5% off for 50%. 5% is 25%, right? It's a 25%. That's why you're getting it over here. 25% is a disc as a amount, right? Net total. Understood? And this is the like list price 500. Got it? One time, charger type automatically one time, because TV installation one time. Am I correct? You understand that? Any doubt?
Yeah.
Click on the save. I think we're good. Okay. Oh, I can see only 3 people. Only you people are interested. Okay, that's great. They left the call. Okay. Interview questions. So let's try to understand. What is block pricing in Salesforce CPQ? Now you may answer. When would you use it in pricing strategy? You can answer this, right? Anyone can try? Anyone? Hina, you start, please. I wanted to see like what you understand. You can able to describe the block pricing?
No.
No. Should I explain again? Hello?
Yes.
Okay. So nothing. Block pricing is nothing but it calculate the price on the range. The range is अगर कोई product हम बेच रहे हैं, ठीक है? Let's suppose if we are selling some product, so on that product, the price will describe if you purchase 1 to 50 chocolates. If you purchase 1 to 50 chocolates, then I'll cost around 100 rupees. Okay. If you purchase 51 to 101 chocolate, I will cost 200 rupees. This way, the quantity basis, we are applying the price, applying the cost. You understood this?
Yes.
So you can tell that when somebody asks what is block pricing, it's a type of pricing methods where we apply the prices on the ranges, upper bound, lower bound, and with the
Okay.
certain amount. ठीक है?
Okay.
When would you use it? When customer wants the product pricing on the ranges, so the time we'll use it. Make sense, Venus? Make
Yes.
sense, Kajal? Make sense, Shravan?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
what challenges can arise when implementing block pricing in a sales specific? How can they be mitigated? Anyone can? Venus, I like to answer her answer from you. What
Sir,
challenges can arise?
as we already done when that product is over range,
Mm-hmm.
then it can be problematic for the um, block pricing.
Customer.
So we can do it with the over range thing, that option.
Yeah. Okay. That's great. You understood, guys? What she explained?
Yes.
One man.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. So can we provide an example of a real world use case where percent of total in Salesforce CPQ would be beneficial? If you can think of, if you can. नहीं आता रहा? बताओ guys.
Maybe, sir, when we buy a product, it can be
Mm-hmm.
service,
Mm-hmm.
maybe any subscription package also. So we used according to net the original product. Like we are purchasing an internet connection, it's a subscription based product, and then
Mm-hmm.
we need to buy the installations also. So it will depend on the
Mm-hmm.
net price of the product.
Cool. Great. Guys, you understand? Hina, Kajal,
Yeah.
Shravan, समझ में आया? So she
Yes,
was
sir.
saying, I think I don't need to repeat it.
Yes.
Like whatever the product we apply, let's suppose we use installation. In the installation, we apply some like percentage on that basis will cost, and all the product which is applicable over here will apply the net total. Am I correct, Venus?
Yes, sir.
Okay, perfect. How can you ensure the percent of total oblique block list cross pricing rules uh, accurately calculated reflect in the final quote for the customers? This is little different. This you have to think of. If you can,
How
or
can
shall we search in the internet? Let me see. This I'm also not sure. Basically, from my understanding, what it should be, how can you ensure percent of total block pricing are accurately calculated? So there's a certain rule for each of them, right? So if we apply list price, it will applicable on the price book. Okay. The cost price, it it will applicable from the related list. We can create the cost pricing, right? Now, block pricing is just like we'll create the range, and in the range we will apply the price. And percent of total, it's like a percentage of particular product, and then on that basis we'll calculate the net total. So this rule, if it will applicable, like if you use any of this four and you're getting it, you know, that is good for you to understand how it is actually calculated. Getting it? So let's check in the Google as well. Like this is my understanding, but let's see how I'm right or wrong. Let's see. Let's check in the agent force. Okay, let's see. See, this is the count of agent force. How many? The count how agent force was helpful. If you already taught that agent force, right, guys? Kajal, Shravan, you know that, right? Remember the agent force, or you Lost it. You will practice after the class, like the course is over. You tried the agent force, guys?
Sir, I practiced, but I didn't try Agent Force yet.
Okay, okay, that's great. No, no, actually, I taught them already, so
Yeah,
they
yes.
were in the batch. So I think, yeah. So to ensure the percent of total list price cost pricing rule are accurately calculated and reflect in the final quote, here are the percent of total, specific percentage of the total price of its covered product, and percent of total prices, percent of total base, percent of total categories. Everything is written here. You can read this. Okay, this is the answer of that. It's not like nothing I did for this, but yeah, you can go through this, the answer, and if you failed any difficulty, we'll discuss this. Okay, how you want me to explain, how you like to proceed, guys? You want me to explain or you understood? Just share that.
Yeah, please
So
explain.
please explain. Okay. Oh, you seem little disappointed. Sorry. To ensure. Okay, so let's explain. Wait a second. Let us understand. This is the question basically, right? Now we need answer. Answer is here. Okay, let's understand. So percent of total, this field subscription percent specify the percentage of the total list price of its covered product, and that percentage of total product price are represented. So it's basically the percentage which we applied on that percent of total. On that basis, this particular product will be calculated. Percent of total, it's just explain all the thing of percent of total base total category. Okay, but you just need to understand percent of total, right? Now total base is the part of that. This field subscription based SPQ subscription base defines whether your percent of total product calculates its price based on the list price and net price, customer price, or regular price. Okay, so now other thing, regular price of its covered product. Okay, now percent of total categories, this field, there's another field called SBQQ subscription categories, allows you to categorize products so that the percent of total product calculates its price based on only covered product with the same categories. Okay, now the block price, this is all about the percent of total. That's the point. This is block pricing. Block pricing fields, product block pricing fields, this fields SBQQ is used to calculate the block pricing. Everybody knows that. So how you'll apply this? So I think it's explained a lot, but you can connect this answer according to our discussion on this particular lecture, and then you can connect the dots according to your understanding. Got it? Which
Yeah,
I
okay.
explained actually at the start of that. Okay, perfect. So just let me share this, and you guys can understand. Sorry. Thank you, Seven. Thank you, Seven. Why always this? I need to delete. It's already done. Next class we'll discuss about nested bundle and option constraint. I should explain this early, but I thought firstly this is much more important. Okay, guys. So yeah, here we go. What is the security shared? Why I am sharing this? Remove pricing. Now you can see which one is this. Cost pricing, list pricing. It's already explained. So I'll remove this. That I already shared at the top. So I'm removing the last one. Yeah, this is basically your block pricing and percent of total at one lecture. So, got it? Or you want me to explain some more thing, or that is it for today to absorb? How you like to proceed? You want me to continue again with some other topic, or you want me to stop? As you mentioned, you guys are not available tomorrow.
Today for enough.
Yes.
Enough for today.
Uh,
Okay, got
Tomorrow
it. Other
we
people?
start.
Tomorrow is Saturday. You okay to connect? I don't have a
Okay,
problem.
no, Monday. Monday, sorry.
That's what you're ready, so that's okay. Okay, what about other three folks?
I can connect on Sunday. Maybe on Saturday I'll not be available.
Okay, so you can ping me if you wanted to connect. Okay, Kajal, Hina, you guys are not available both the days? Or you want that on the Monday?
On Monday, this Saturday, Sunday, I'm busy.
Okay, Kajal, what's your
Yeah, I also busy on
absent?
Saturday, Sunday.
Okay, okay, got it. So let it be. So it's okay. If you have any question, Venus, you can ping me and